walked through the house, not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse.
Where are my cookies? I came down the chimney for this?
I don't know, Santa. I placed them on the table for you just like I always do.
Well, they're all gone. Someone must have stole them.
I think we should call the police.
Already on it.
This is 911. What's your emergency?
This is Santa. Someone stole my cookies.
Santa's on the phone. We'll be right there. This is the house. Stop! This is the police! We're here to get more information on this crime.
I came to this house and all my cookies were gone.
Oh, I think we have some ideas as to who it is. We do? Of course we do.
After a short few hours, the detectives brought in some suspicious suspects.
You are being interrogated for the accusation of eating Santa's cookies. You must swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Although, you do have the right to remain silent. Where were you on the night prior to winter break?
I was with Cindy.
I was playing video games!
Stuck in my tree, standing by the fireplace. Does it look like I can move? You have any water?
Trying to stay cool. I don't go indoors. I would melt.
Sleeping in my bed, you stalker! I get enough visitors at night!
Crack a nutsack.
Trying to steal Christmas, but you so rudely interrupted me.
What do you dislike the most?
Singing! The horrid singing!
Rudolph, he is on the attendant just because he has that big bright nose.
Having cut down driven with my relatives and having things hung off me. Can't get some water still. Son, it's hot in here.
Humbug!
Nuts, I have a peanut allergy.
The Oogie Boogie Man!
What's your strange addiction?
Eating glass. I love the crunch between my teeth.
I really like coconut frost! I mean, forget about that.
Water, water, water! I'm thirsty! I really enjoy yellow snow.
Yeah, I see dead people.
Breakdancing.
Dressing up as other people?
What does this have to do with cookies? I don't know. Do we have enough evidence to accuse anyone? We do not. Let's bring them in for a lineup. The girl will judge. Everyone stand up, single file, and line up facing forward.
No! It wasn't